Mabuhay and good day everyone. My name is Gino Josh Arroyo Basa. Today, we are going to talk about the basics of professional tour guiding. Many people think a guide is just a walking encyclopedia, but in reality, a great guide is a storyteller, a time manager, and a safety officer that all rolled into one. So, let's look at the three pillars of a successful tour. First is communication. Never start with dry dates and numbers. Instead, start with a hook, a question, or a mystery. Don't just say, this monument was built in 1901. Say, imagine standing here 100 years ago when this was the only light in the city. Your job isn't just give a lecture, it's to paint a picture. Alright? So, keep your language simple and always check that the person at the very back can hear you. Number 2 is group management. A guide must always be in control of the flow. This means always stand where you can see the whole group and they can see you. Always count your guests before moving on to a new location. Remember, a lost tourist is a failed tour. Finally, the most important basic is connection. People might forget the exact year a monument was built, but they will never forget how you made them feel. So, be observant. If your group looks tired, find a place for them to sit. If they are sweating, find shade. A guide best tool isn't their script, it's their eyes. So, you have to master these basics, logistics, and empathy. And you won't just be showing people a place. We'll be giving him or her a memory. Now, are you ready to lead the way? So, thank you very much for listening.